This video looks at finding the area of a square or a rectangle. The process is the same for both squares and rectangles. Here we have a drawing of a rectangle. We can see it's a rectangle even though it's not drawn particularly accurately. All of the corners are right angles, and this side are equal, and this side and this side are equal. Both of these are 6 centimetres and both of these are 3 centimetres. If we wanted the perimeter, we'd add 6 and 3 and 6 and 3 all together to get the perimeter, and the perimeter for this shape would be 18 centimetres. But we're not interested in perimeter today, we're looking at area, and to calculate area we calculate it by timesing the base by the height. So for this calculation we would be doing 6 multiplied by 3, which is 18. Now obviously this is a measurement, so before we had 6 centimetres and 3 centimetres, so we are measuring in centimetres, so our area is going to be in centimetres squared. So this is how we'd write our answer, 18 centimetres squared. The little floating 2 above the centimetres there, that indicates that it is squared. Next we'll look at how to find the area of a triangle. This one again, the triangle is drawn roughly, and this time we have a 6 centimetre base, which is this line here, and these lines here are not marked up with a length, because when we are working out the area of a triangle we need the base and the vertical height. So we have to draw a perpendicular line, that is a line that goes through to the top height of the triangle to the base, and it has to be at right angles here. So each of these is a right angle. That makes that a perpendicular line there, and we call it our vertical height. So it's the total height of the triangle, which is 4 centimetres for this triangle, and the base is 6 centimetres. Then we need to remember our formula for working out the area of a triangle. Our area is worked out here as the base times the vertical height times by a half, or written like this. It can also sometimes be written like this. What we have here is area equals the base times by the vertical height, not just the height, the vertical height, over 2, which basically means the base times the height and then divide it by 2. So whatever the answer for this is, divide it by 2. And here we can see the calculation. We had the 6 times by the 4, 6 times 4, which is 24, and we've done it divided by 2. So we've done 6 times 4 and then divide the answer by 2. So 6 times 4 is 24, divided by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. And again, our answer, centimetres, centimetres, so our answer will be in centimetres, but centimetres squared. And here we have the completed calculation with the answer written with the correct units of measure, centimetres squared.